Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to those of you who consider yourself to be left brain or non-creative types, especially those of you that are in non-creative professions. I'm talking about lawyers, CPAs, consultants, anyone in the medical industry, or really anyone who dreads the thought of using video in their marketing or marketing in general. Here's the thing. Video in particular can be even more beneficial for you than it is for me. Why? Because so many in your industry feel the exact same way that you do about it. They don't want to do it, and they don't do it. So there's a huge opportunity to separate yourself from your competition. Here's what I recommend. Start with what I call helpful or expert content. Tips, tricks, anything you can do to provide value for your potential clients or customers. Not only will it get your right brain going, it'll help you build your business and your brand. Have a great day.